Hey there, high-enders! Welcome back to High-End Horizons, the channel that explores the fascinating world of cutting-edge technology. In today's episode, we're unveiling 20 profitable business opportunities in the revolutionary field of quantum computing. From developing quantum hardware and software to creating educational programs, marketing services, and specialized real estate, there's a wealth of opportunities waiting for you. So let's dive into the lucrative world of quantum computing and discover how you can turn your passion into profit. First things first, let's get a grip on what quantum computing is. Unlike classical computing, which uses bits to represent data as zeros or ones, quantum computing utilizes qubits, which can represent both 0 and 1 simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to solve complex problems at an astonishingly fast pace, paving the way for groundbreaking advancements in various industries. Now that we have a basic understanding of quantum computing, let's talk about its market potential. According to recent reports, the global quantum computing market is projected to reach a staggering $65 billion by 2030. With such a massive growth potential, there are numerous opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs and investors to make money in this space. So how can you cash in on this quantum gold rush? Here are a few ways to make money by producing quantum computing. 1. Developing quantum hardware. You can start a company that designs, manufactures, and sells quantum processors and other hardware components. 2. Quantum software development. Create a business that specializes in developing software and algorithms specifically for quantum computers. 3. Quantum computing as a service, or QCaaS. Offer quantum computing services to clients who lack the infrastructure or expertise to run their own quantum computers. 4. Quantum consultancy. Establish a firm that provides consulting services, helping organizations adopt quantum computing and benefit from its incredible capabilities. Starting a quantum computing business can be capital intensive. But don't worry, there are several ways to secure the funds and resources you need. 1. Venture capital. Many VC firms are actively investing in quantum startups, so do your research and pitch your idea to the right investors. 2. Government grants. Various governments around the world are funding quantum research and development. Look into grant programs in your country to see if you qualify. 3. Partnerships. Collaborate with established tech companies or research institutions to access resources and expertise. To better understand the scope of quantum computing and identify potential business opportunities, let's explore some of its most promising applications. 1. Cryptography. Quantum computing can revolutionize data security and encryption methods. 2. Drug discovery. Simulating molecular interactions with quantum computing can accelerate drug development. 3. Optimization. Quantum computers can solve complex optimization problems such as supply chain management and logistics. 4. Artificial intelligence. Quantum computing can enhance machine learning and AI capabilities. 5. Climate modeling. Improve climate change predictions by simulating complex environmental systems. As quantum computing grows, so does the demand for skilled professionals. You can make money by offering education and training programs in the field. 1. Online courses. Develop and sell quantum computing courses on e-learning platforms. 2. Workshops and seminars. Conduct in-person or virtual workshops for individuals and organizations. 3. Quantum computing certification programs. Offer professional certifications in quantum computing and related skills. Research plays a crucial role in advancing quantum computing technology. You can contribute to the field and monetize your expertise by 1. Publishing research papers. Share your findings in academic journals and generate revenue through citations. 2. Patenting innovations. Protect your intellectual property and license your quantum technology to other companies. 3. Collaborating with research institutions. Partner with universities or research centers to access resources and funding for your projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content. Quantum networking is another exciting area with numerous business opportunities. 1. Develop quantum communication systems. Design and build secure quantum communication networks for data transfer. 2. Create quantum-resistant encryption. Develop encryption methods that are resilient against quantum attacks. 3. Quantum internet infrastructure. Invest in the construction and maintenance of quantum internet networks. Organizing quantum computing events and conferences is another way to capitalize on the growing interest in the field. 1. Industry conferences. Plan and host international conferences, bringing together experts and enthusiasts from around the world. 2. Networking events. Organize events that facilitate connections and collaborations between professionals in the quantum computing industry. 3. Quantum computing expos. Host exhibitions showcasing the latest advancements and products in quantum computing. As the quantum computing industry grows, so does the demand for informative and engaging content. 1. Start a blog or news site. Share the latest news, insights, and analysis on quantum computing advancements. 2. Launch a podcast. Interview experts and thought leaders in the field discussing various topics related to quantum computing. 3. Create video content. Produce educational videos or documentaries that explore the world of quantum computing. With the rapid growth of the quantum computing industry, there's a need for specialized job platforms. 1. Launch a quantum computing job board. Connect employers and job seekers in the quantum computing space. 2. Offer recruiting services. Help companies find the right talent by providing quantum computing-focused recruitment services. 3. Quantum computing internships. Partner with educational institutions and companies to create internship programs, helping students gain real-world experience in the field. Spreading awareness and fostering a sense of community are essential for the growth of the quantum computing sector. 1. Establish a quantum computing association. Create a professional organization that promotes and supports the development of the industry. 2. Organize hackathons and competitions. Encourage innovation and collaboration by hosting events that challenge participants to solve quantum computing problems. 3. Quantum computing meetups. Arrange regular gatherings for quantum computing enthusiasts to connect, share knowledge, and discuss industry trends. As the quantum computing industry evolves, so do its legal and regulatory landscapes. 1. Quantum computing law firm. Start a legal practice that specializes in intellectual property, licensing, and regulatory matters related to quantum computing. 2. Compliance consulting. Offer services to help quantum computing companies navigate complex regulations and ensure they remain compliant. 3. Quantum computing lobbying. Advocate for favorable policies and regulations to support the growth of the quantum computing industry. Marketing and public relations play a crucial role in the success of any business, including those in the quantum computing sector. 1. Quantum computing marketing agency. Provide specialized marketing services to help quantum computing companies grow their brands and reach their target audiences. 2. Public relations firm. Offer PR services to help quantum computing companies manage their public image and communicate their achievements to the world. 3. Quantum computing influencer. Become an influential voice in the quantum computing community by sharing your expertise and insights through social media, blogs, or video content. As the quantum computing industry expands, so does the demand for specialized facilities and infrastructure. 1. Quantum computing data centers. Invest in or develop data centers designed specifically for housing and operating quantum computers. 2. Quantum computing research labs. Create state-of-the-art facilities where researchers and developers can collaborate on quantum computing projects. 3. Quantum computing co-working spaces. Establish co-working spaces tailored to the needs of quantum computing startups and professionals. Quantum computing projects often require advanced simulation and testing tools to ensure their effectiveness. 1. Quantum computing simulation software. Develop software that simulates quantum computing environments for research and development purposes. 2. Quantum testing services. Offer specialized testing services to evaluate the performance and accuracy of quantum algorithms and applications. 3. Quantum computing benchmarks. Create industry-standard benchmarks to assess and compare the capabilities of various quantum computing systems. Quantum computing can significantly enhance analytics and data science capabilities, opening new business opportunities. 1. Quantum-powered data analytics. Develop software that harnesses the power of quantum computing to process and analyze massive amounts of data. 2. Quantum machine learning. Create quantum algorithms and models to improve machine learning and AI applications. 3. Quantum consulting for data science. Offer expert guidance on integrating quantum computing into existing data analytics and machine learning workflows. As more businesses adopt quantum computing, the demand for accessible and scalable quantum computing resources is rising. 1. Quantum computing cloud platform. Develop a cloud platform that allows users to access quantum computing resources on demand. 2. Quantum computing infrastructure management. Offer services to help businesses manage and optimize their quantum computing cloud resources. 3. Quantum computing API. Create application programming interfaces or APIs that enable developers to integrate quantum computing functionality into their applications. With the rise of quantum computing, new security challenges and opportunities are emerging. 1. Quantum key distribution. Develop systems that utilize quantum communication for secure key exchange, ensuring data protection. 2. Post-quantum cryptography. Create encryption algorithms that can withstand attacks from quantum computers, providing long-term security for sensitive information. 3. Quantum security consulting. Offer specialized consulting services to help organizations identify and address quantum-related security risks. The development of quantum computing systems relies on a wide range of specialized hardware and components. 1. Quantum computing cooling systems. Design and manufacture advanced cooling solutions required to maintain optimal operating conditions for quantum computers. 2. Quantum error correction. Develop hardware and software solutions to address error correction challenges unique to quantum computing. 3. Quantum computing component supply. Manufacture and supply essential components such as quantum processors, control electronics, and other specialized hardware needed for quantum computing systems. We've just explored 20 ways to make money from producing quantum computing, ranging from education and training to legal services and real estate. There's no doubt that quantum computing is a game-changing technology, and there are numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors to enter this exciting and growing industry. So don't hesitate. The time to explore these opportunities is now.